Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nintendo Switch Lite step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Nintendo Switch Lite from its box. Remove any protective plastic coverings from the device. Hold the console securely in your hands. Locate the power button on the top right of the device. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds to turn it on. You'll see the Nintendo logo appear on the screen. Once the console powers up, select your preferred language from the menu. Tap on Next to proceed to the next step. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting your network from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password if prompted, then tap OK. Wait for the console to connect to the internet. Next, the system will check for available system updates. If an update is found, follow the prompts to download and install it. Once the updates are completed, tap Next to continue. Now you can create a new user profile. Select Add User and choose whether to create a new account or link an existing one. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user profile. Choose a profile picture and fill in the required information. Once your profile is created, tap OK to proceed. You may now set up parental controls if desired, otherwise, skip to the next step. Read through the terms of service and agree to continue. The device may prompt you to sign in to your Nintendo account. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly through the console. After signing in or creating your account, you'll be taken back to the home screen. Now it's time to familiarize yourself with the console's controls and features. Take a moment to explore the system settings and adjust any preferences to your liking. You can also take a look at the Nintendo eShop for game downloads. Once everything is set, you're ready to start gaming. Enjoy your new Nintendo Switch Lite experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.